Hello friends, welcome back. Now we'll be doing problem 12 from RE109CC 2074 set, and this is one of the most common problem. And even if we have no idea of how these things, the selling price, market price, and VAT and discount system works, we can still do this thing because if we remember our parents or grandparents who didn't have the formal education of mathematics or this type of experience of doing this type of problems, they could still find out how much value they have to pay after discount or after the tax or VAT is added on the price, right? And this is very useful. Okay, so let's do it. So while doing these type of problems, we have to try to visualize. So what happens? So I'll explain one small scenario. So there is a person X. Okay, so he goes to market to buy something, and in market, um, so okay, let's assume that he goes there to buy a camera. Okay, so he goes there to buy a camera, and the market price is listed. So it says that the price of camera is suppose 20,000. All right. So but the person X is not going to pay that 20,000. He asks for some discount because the price is too high, and the seller says that okay, have it. So you just pay, I'll give you 15% discount. That means that 50% will be subtracted on the mark price, right? So the selling price after discount is equal to marked price minus 15% of marked price. This is the discount amount. This is called discount amount, right? So because he gave a 15% discount on marked price, like I said, if the marked price was 20,000 and if 15% discount is given, that means 15% discount of 20,000, right? So this is MP. That's where the formula came from. And the total price that the person X has to pay is 20,000 minus this amount, that is the discount amount, which is equal to 15 times 2 is 3, that means 3,000. Okay, so that means 17,000 he has to pay after discount. So if the VAT is not added, so that means marked price minus 15% means simply 15 by 100 or 0.15. Off means multiplicative sign, and that is mark price. So this means if we do the LCM, so it will be 85 by 100 marked price, or we can still we can also write it 0.85 MP. So selling price after giving discount is this. But what our system says is we should pay the tax. Okay, we should pay the tax for whatever we pay. So after your price is finalized, you have to pay the VAT, and the VAT is added on the amount that you pay, um, not on the marked price. Okay, after the final price is set, the value added tax is added there. So the 15% should be added on this price, on the price of SP after discount. So SP after VAT, so SP after VAT is equal to, so just for this example here, 17,000 is the selling price. So it says that 15% VAT should be added, and that VAT goes to government. So the shopkeeper doesn't want to pay the VAT from his pocket, so he asks the customer to pay that 15% VAT. So he says that all right, I'm going to give you the 15% discount, but you have to pay the 15% VAT. All right, so if the VAT is added here, so it will be VAT amount will be equal to 15% of 17,000. Okay, so this is the VAT percent times the amount here, so it will be equal to VAT amount, and it is equal to 1500 divided by 100 times 17,000, right? 17,000. This is the VAT amount. So the SP after VAT will be equal to SP after discount plus 15% of SP after discount, right? So this means the VAT amount. So SP after VAT is equal to SP after discount plus VAT amount. So this is equal to 0.85 MP plus this is equal to 0.15, right? 15% means 0.15, and off means multiplicative sign, and after this SP discount value we know 0.85 MP. So if you do these, like if you multiply 0.85 and 0.15 and add it to 0.85, so the total value here will be 0.9775 MP, right? MP is common on both. So SP after adding VAT. So the final amount that the customer has to pay is this 0.9775 times the original marked price. All right. And um, so if the difference between the selling price with VAT and selling price after discount, that means selling price after discount is 0.85 MP and selling price after VAT is 0.9775 MP. So the difference of these two, so SP VAT minus SP after discount, if this two is equal to, it is given in the question, all right, the value 1275. Okay, so this gives 0.9775 minus 0.85 MP, right? MP is common on both, is equal to 1275. So let me just this screen a little bit up, and this value. So if you do the calculation here, so MP will be equal to 1275 divided by 0.1275. So this will be equal to 10,000, right? So you don't need calculator to do this, but you can use, so 10,000. Therefore marked price was 10,000. So this is our answer. All right, got it. Great, good luck.